To solve a pair of simultaneous equations, there are two key skills required. Skill 1 is adding two equations together. This addition is done component-wise, so here we would get 12x plus 4x equals 16x, 7y minus 3y is 4y, and 5 plus 8 is 13. Skill 2 is multiplying an equation by a constant. This is also done component-wise. If we were to multiply this equation by 3, we would have minus 5x times 3 equals minus 15x, plus 2y times 3 equals 6y, and 6 times 3 equals 18. Let's say we need to solve for x and y in the pair of equations 11x plus 6y equals 21 and 2x minus 3y equals 12. The strategy is to multiply one or both of the equations by a constant to create a matching number with different signs. Then we'll add the equations together. Focusing on the y term, we have a plus 6 in the first equation and a minus 3 in the second. If we leave the first equation as it is and multiply the second equation by 2, then we'll end up with plus 6 and minus 6, the same number but with different signs. This is exactly what we need. 2x times 2 is 4x, minus 3y times 2 is minus 6y, and 12 times 2 is 24. Now we add the equations together. 11x plus 4x is 15x, plus 6y minus 6y is 0, and 21 plus 24 is 45. Given that 15x equals 45, we can divide both sides of the equation by 15 to find that x equals 3. To find y, we sub this value back into one of the original equations. 11x plus 6y equals 21. 11 times 3 is 33. We subtract 33 from both sides. 21 minus 33 is minus 12. We divide both sides by 6 and find that y is equal to minus 2.